Hello and welcome to our channel NutureMite, where we provide informative videos regarding health and lifestyle. Please like, share and subscribe the channel and click on the bell icon for important notification and videos.
Why doctors aren't wearing makeup with surgical mask and N95s? Experts say it can affect the ability of some masks to be reused as well as potentially make them less effective. If you are wearing a cloth face covering, it's important to follow CDC guidelines to prevent the spread of droplets during the COVID-19 pandemic. For example, make sure your mask cover both your nose and mouth, that you wash your hands after taking it off, and that you dispose of it properly. In medical settings where the possibility of transmitting an illness is usually greater, many healthcare workers follow another principle to make sure their masks are an effective barrier for droplets that could spread harmful pathogens. Taking off their makeup before wearing a mask or skipping makeup altogether. One of the reasons medical providers are taking this extra precaution is to conserve masks, which continue to be in short supply. Annie Liu, an infectious disease physician at Stanford Healthcare, says once makeup gets on mask, it's considered contaminated, which poses a problem when many healthcare facilities are finding ways to clean masks for reuse. A lot of places are collecting N95s for sterilization, but if there is makeup on it, it's considered soiled or contaminated, and we can't sterilize them, Liu tells Allure. Makeup worn under a mask may also damage the fabric, make it a less effective barrier, according to Cassandra M. Pierre, an infectious disease physician at Boston Medical Center. For surgical mask and N95 mask and possibly for cloth masks, makeup does cause soiling of the mask and can lead to decreased air filtration. She says you need to protect yourself from potentially harmful pathogens in the air, and debris from soiling will cause less efficiency in the mask or respiratory ability to filtrate. Pierre says any makeup that touches the mask could impede the mask's ability to filter out the droplets, including lipstick, blush, foundation and even tinted sunscreen. But it's not just makeup. Men's products like aftershave that cause visible soiling could also make a mask less efficient. So skincare products like sunscreen or heavy cream-based lotions that could cling onto the mask. Pierre recommends avoiding anything that could cause visible soiling to the mask fabric. If you apply sunscreen or skincare product like sunscreen or lotion, she recommends using thinner formulations or waiting to put on a mask until the product is totally absorbed into your skin. If you can brush it off with your fingers, it can get onto the mask, she says. Theoretically, she says makeup could also hinder the effectiveness of DIY cloth face covering or a bandana, but those are easier to wash at home. Just keep in mind that repeated washing of fabric masks could weaken the fibers over time, also having an impact on its effectiveness. It's not an official CDC guideline, but Pierre says as a general rule, if you are venturing out in the public, the safest bet is to skip putting anything on any part of your face that could soil the mask. But applying skincare and makeup products above the nose is totally fine and encouraged if it boosts up your mood. Do up the eyes and do the mascara and eyebrows, but don't have makeup around your mouth, Liu says.
Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Click on the bell icon for important notifications and videos.